I just wanna be loved.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video where I open mystery packages from Wish. We've all seen eBay mystery box unboxings, and I've done a few like mystery makeup. I think actually only like one mystery unboxing, but I was like, what's cheap that I can afford and a surprise? And I was like, ding, mystery Wish packages. I set the limit at like $3 for these, and I have like quite a few. I honestly don't think that I got all of them, and I don't even know if all of these are like the mystery packages or stuff that I bought. I don't know, but they're all a mystery to me. I really don't even know what is what. So we're just gonna go ahead and dig into these and see what I bought or like ordered purposely. But I ordered just a bunch of those like mystery package, blah blah blah, and yeah, so so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, first we're gonna start off with this big one because it's big and I want to see what it is. Okay, so the first thing is this pop socket and pop socket holder. Wow. Okay, this actually isn't that stupid. What is this? I think this is like a head wrap or something. It has a button on it. Yeah, I think this is for when you get out of the shower and you like wrap your hair in it. Okay. Ooh, what is that? What is this? Hello? How do I open it? Oh, is this like blotting sheets? What? This is so cute. Oh my gosh, these are like little blotting sheets. Oh my goodness, and it has a mirror. Just look at this packaging. Wow, I would have paid $3 for this alone. That is cute. I love it. This is my favorite item so far. It's probably gonna be my favorite of the whole thing. 3D metal model. Oh, I'm supposed to build something? It is supposed to look like a little ship thing, I think. Interesting. This looks like it's supposed to be, it's like one of those Nintendo Switch things that you like put together. Next, I got this necklace. Hello. And it's like a heart in a bottle. I personally will not be wearing that, but it's a cute idea. And then I got these two like cross necklaces that I definitely won't be wearing, but again, nice thought. I got a world stress ball. Awesome. All right, now we're just getting into the small little packages. They just give you like everything that's not selling, I feel like. So cute. Superman like bracelet set. It's adorable. Yep. Not gonna wear that. Oh, I ordered this from Amazon. Cool. This actually is not from Wish, but I did not know what it was. It's like a fake Cartier ring. Is that how you say it? I hope so. I am horrible. I hate myself. And I ordered some gold chain necklaces. I have a feeling a lot of you are gonna be like, oh my god, send me the link. So I will have the link in the description. Ooh, these are pretty. These are definitely gonna be a staple in my Instagram pictures. Adorable. Here's like a close-up. Definitely worth like however much I spent. I think they were like $2 as opposed to, I mean, you can get them on like Pretty Little Thing for $8. I actually just ordered some from there, but these are like $2. So if you don't want to pay $8. Oh, ordered this too. This really became less of like a mystery box thing, but I mean, it's all a mystery to me, so I don't even know if I got all of my mystery boxes. I also ordered these. I will have the link down below. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, I love all of the little ball and like chain detailing. Wow, it's so cute. I love them. Ooh, that's gonna look so good. Ew, I thought this was like a spider. Ew. I don't like this. I don't like this. It's like a door tassel. Yep. throwing it away. I don't like it. It's creepy. Ew, I'm not putting this on my face. I got sent a lipstick, and if I know anything about Wish, is that I am not putting any at all sort of cosmetic from Wish on my face. It's purple though, but yep, that's going in the garbage too. I'm not quite sure what they were going for, but looks like this. And it looks like leaves. So this isn't the worst thing ever, but like all the other jewelry, I'm probably not gonna wear it, but it looks like that. And it like keeps going like that. I don't know. Oh! I hate this. I ordered these too. Oh, I specifically ordered mystery boxes for this video, but regardless, everything's still a mystery to me, so the title is relevant. This is adorable! Oh my gosh. Instagram, I'm coming for you. And these glasses are so cool. Honestly, if you haven't already figured this out, please go buy your sunglasses from Wish, because these brands want to be charging like $20 and like $10 for like these sunglasses, and I bought these for like $2. So you're not scamming me today. This looks like those things when you go out of the country and they try to sell you like the touristy crap. No. I feel like a lot of this stuff is just like garbage. I really want to know like what the warehouse looks like, and if they have like a box that's just like mystery and then they just like grab something out of it and like put it in there. Oh, okay, so I got like a set of rings. So this is the set of rings. They're actually pretty cute. Yeah, I'll definitely wear these. These two black ones are my favorite. Cute. Finally, some jewelry that I'm not like, ugh, I'm never gonna wear that. Okay, this is the final package. Better be good. Ugh. All right, and nope. This looks like something that your high school boyfriend would buy you. Okay, I definitely know I haven't got some of my Wish packages, and I will be contacting them and letting them know. Well, there you guys go. That was my Wish haul, and I'm going to be wearing these sunglasses for the rest of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want me to film any other Wish videos, because I actually really like filming these. They're pretty fun, and I like getting random things. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.